You want pet? Say thank you.
Thank you. That like, oh look,
You want to pet it again, Mola?
no.
No? Dina, you want to pet it again? That feels nice? Say thank you.
The friendliest real snake at the show.
Yeah.
Ew, the snake is smelling you, Dina.
They smell with their tongue. You want to touch it again, Mo?
Nice.
You like it?
He's doing the.
Thank you. Say thank you, Dina. Thank you.
There is a gene called Scranton.
I wonder if I can get
that I sell.
Dana, not Dina. Hello. You want a sticker? Dina, you want a sticker? You want a ring? Or a bracelet? Which one you want? That one? Okay. Good, how are you? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah. Where do you want to go? Crazy. That's so pretty. Would you say the top? Crazy. Remember when Debbie was like you when you were. Nina, come here.
You want stickers? Where's Mommy?
With the rocks. And I don't know which one. Oh, there she is.
Let's get together with Mommy. And where's Solomon?
What? I got the pet. You did? Whoa. Happy, look at the lizard.
Oh wow, that's a Cayman lizard, right?